Hello everyone, welcome to another Game with OP video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a Lego nature park that could also double as a zoo. So before I show you how to make it, let me show you what it'll look like. You enter onto a nice street, or actually a cold, damp, and dark street, where a stray cat is wandering around near this menu taped to a street lamp. But what is this menu for? It appears to be that this old man is making his own restaurant, and here's his kitchen where he makes his food. But if you go along this way, you find an outdoor sink, plants and flowers, and a dog chewing on his bone. Here you find a teenager talking on her phone about whatever teenagers talk about on the benches, and you find this map of the whole park. And if you keep going this way, you'll find yourself near a pond where this unsuspecting frog is about to be eaten by this hungry and angry crocodile. So let's begin on how to make it. First, you'll need a base plate that is gray and can be used as a street. You can also add a door if you want. Some other small things you might need is some sort of stray animal walking around, and for this one I used a cat. And I also used this street lamp, but let me first show you how to make the street lamp. If you don't have the correct pieces, that's still fine, but basically to make the street lamp I used a block that looks like this. It's kinda rare, I guess, I don't know, you might have it in a set of yours, but basically it's gonna be clear. It doesn't need to be clear, it could be any color, but it's basically, it has this stud right here and two studs right here. And so basically what I did is I took this, which was basically just two bricks that looked like this. You can use, this can be any color, this brick, it'll look like something like this. And this, I suggest to make it look like a light color. And then you put them on top like this. And if it looks something like this, it should have a hole at the bottom. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on top of this. It's gonna take a little bit of hard work, but soon enough it'll stick like this. And then you're gonna need to use your menu, and if you don't have a menu, that's still fine. I got this from another set, but you could use some sort of like Lego poster, and you can put that right here. But if that looks a little too low, I suggest putting it right here. Now that you've finished your street lamp, you can put it right here. And basically how that works is this bottom part will fit in the middle of these two studs, like right here. So it looks something like this. Now to make the restaurant block, you'll need a base plate like this, presumably a flat 6x6 base plate. It could be any color. I recommend black, white, or gray. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna need some small things that you're gonna build. Like one of them is gonna be this, which is a microwave. Basically what I did is I put a 2x2 right here, a flat 2x4 right here, this small window right here, and something that looks like popcorn going through it. So it actually looks like a microwave kinda, right? And then this, you might not have something exactly like this because I got this from a Lego Minecraft set, but basically something that could be used as a furnace would be nice, or an oven. And I put this on top of it. And basically this cookie is connecting to a jumper plate, if you didn't know. So then, yeah. So what's the next thing? Well, the next thing is this cooler where you'll put your drinks and some water, soda, that kind of beverages thing. And then right here, this could also be used as a cooler, but I used it to put some ice cream on it. Maybe in the future I'll find an ice cream cone piece, and maybe I'll put that. And then I just had this Lego cereal box lying around, so I guess I'll use that too. Then you're going to have to put all your stuff onto the base plate. So we'll put this right here. If you want, we can put this right here. And maybe we can put this right here. And then we'll put this, I guess, right here. Now that you have that, make sure you have a space right here, a 1x4 space of 4 studs right here, because you'll need to use something like this, which is like a doormat or some sort of rug. And you put it right here. And now that it's connected to that, you can then put it on here and you can connect it to the street. So basically, I suggest putting it somewhere in the middle, you know, just to make it look good. And we wouldn't want to forget this guy. He was literally the guy cooking the food. So let me just put him right here. Okay, it's hard to make these Lego guys stand. But yeah, I guess it'd be nice to say that you've completed your Lego street part of the nature park. And you can also put this somewhere like right, I don't know, here. This can be used as a storage box to store more food. So for now, I'm just gonna put this aside. Now that I've shown you how to make the street, let me show you how to make the grassy base plates. So right here, this is where the outdoor sink will be. I used a nice curved grassy base plate, put some flowers here, and a sink. And basically to make the sink, I put two 2x4s stacked on top of each other, this flat base plate, and some put some blocks around it here, and then I put these two taps right here, and I guess this could be a soap. And don't think that this is a bad soap, even though it has an eyeball on the top. I guess that we can just call that a part of the design. For this part, you will need some sort of animal. You don't need an animal. You could use any animal if you want. If you have one, you can use an animal. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. I had a dog, so I put a dog here. And I also had a bone that came with a set that the dog came with. So I think I'll just put the bone with the dog. And maybe some nice flowers and plants along with it. And then I have this long grassy base plate in which I'll put these two chairs together to make them look like benches. And I'll put someone on it talking on their phone. And right here, there are some more flowers and plants. And for the pond part, I'll put some nice seaweed and some coral. And if you have any sea animals, you can put those too. I had a crocodile and a frog, so I put those there. And if you do have a frog, you can use this green jumper plate as a lily pad, just to, you know, give it a better design. And for the map, I just stacked 3 2x4s on top of each other, and this, I don't know exactly what to call this block, but it will have 2 studs right here and 2 studs right here. And basically, I have this map from a Lego set that I'll put on here, and now I'll take it and I'll put it on here, and that's how I'll make the map. So now let's put them all together. To put them together, you can use any kind of bricks that connects them, like I'm doing right now. And you can just keep doing that. So basically, after connecting all of them, it'll look like this. And as you can see, I used some blocks like these, and even a window piece to connect them all together. So in the end, it doesn't really matter if it doesn't look just like this. That's totally fine. Remember, any way that you make it is always fine. You can even change it up a bit. You can put some different animals here. You can change the map. You can make this a newspaper instead of a menu. You can even change the color of the street lamp. Remember, it's all up to you, but the format will look something like this. So it'll be more of like a nature park or a zoo. It doesn't really look like a zoo right now because there are no fences or cages, but you get the idea, right? So thank you for watching, and if you have any more suggestions for Lego builds or any future Lego builds, you can go to the channel's discussion center and tell them there. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, my dudes. Okay, Roxana, you can stop calling whoever you're calling anymore. The video's over. Oh, okay, but where's my paycheck? What paycheck? For being in this video, I deserve money, right? I don't have any money. You agreed to come in here. Yes, for money. That's why I agreed to came. Sorry, I don't have any money. Well, you'll be seeing my lawyer for this. I'll sue you. Oh, yeah, right. Just get out of here. But you said you'd pay me. I never said anything like that. You said. Okay. Wait, we're still recording? I should probably edit this part out. Okay, that's it. Go. But I deserve my money. I'll see you in court. Yeah, right. Just get out of here.